Hello everyone, my name is Pritesh, and today I'm going to talk about what one should do when someone comes and tells you that he or she is going to kill himself or herself and he or she is going to commit a suicide. So, very first thing you have to tell them that please don't do this kind of an act. And the second thing, on moral grounds, as usual, you have to support your friend so that he or she gets recover and can come out from the tension that they were into. So you have to support them, and you need to ensure that this dark clouds that they are under, it is going to get soon going to get wiped out from the golden rays of the sun. So you should support it with your true hearts, because losing someone is really painful, and especially when someone commits suicide and someone tries to kill himself or herself. We all know that uh, death is an inevitable part of our life, and it is always going to be an inevitable, irrespective of how much healthy we are, or how much exercise, or how much we take good care of ourselves. So coming to the point, uh, our Indian Penal Code, section 306 and section 309, doesn't allow to commit a suicide. And if we commit a suicide, then we are going to get hell liable for it, because it is illegal. Now coming to the section 306, 306 says about whenever the person abets someone. For example, if I tell someone that please go and do a suicide, or maybe I just laugh on their miseries when someone is telling me that I am going to kill myself, or maybe I just laugh on them thinking that they are joking. So in this scenario, I am abating someone. So you should never do this, because abating someone to do something, it is an illegal under the various provision of an Indian Penal Code, and especially for an suicide it is 306. And in case if it is proved in the court of law, then you are going to go behind the bars for 10 years. Secondly, coming to the section 309, it says about whoever tries to commit suicide, and or it has been found that he or she is trying to kill him or herself. So in this scenario, that person is also going to get liable for 1 year. Yes, he or she is going to be behind the bars for 1 year. So this is an completely illegal. So coming to the case that I have read in the newspaper, maybe around 3 or 4 years, not maybe 3 or 4 years, but maybe 2 or 3 years ago. So the case was like, uh, there was a couple who were into who were in love. So they got separated, they got broke up, and they got married to other person. So in this scenario, the guy got divorced, and the woman was continuing with a marriage. So again try to they not try they were actually in a contact with each other. So the guy kept on insisting a girl that you also divorce your person, your husband, and come and get married to me, and if she doesn't do it, he's going to kill himself. So in this case, the whole conversation was on the video call. Yes, on WhatsApp video call. So the guy was insisting a woman that please marry, otherwise I'm going to commit a suicide. So the lady on the other side, she laughed, thinking that what kind of suicide he is going to do, because he don't have any guts to commit any kind of suicide. So she laughed on the call, and unfortunately the guy passed away and he committed suicide. So the parents of the deceased guy filed a case, and it has been ruled out in the favor of deceased family, and that lady was put behind the bars for 5 years. So this amounted to an abetment. Please don't ever support someone when someone tells you, even in a very lighter manner, that he or she is going to commit a suicide. Tell them at least for once that please don't do any kind of an act, or please don't think about this, and please think always positive, because there is always a way, there is always something that we can do better in our life. So this is what I wanted to conclude in this video. So whenever you receive any message, or you find anything suspicious about your friend or in your family members' behavior, and you find them they are into a great difficulties, always ask them for at least once what exactly it is happening, because you never know, things might turn into worst. So this is what I have to conclude in this video. And there is one more organization on an Instagram which helps you by just listening you. There is this Instagram page samartians.mumbai. So this this particular organization helps the person just by listening their problems. I haven't tried yet, because it is not required till date, but there is that line, the helpline they have launched, and most of the celebrities are supporting them. So I request you to kindly go and check their page, and in case if you feel hesitate that you cannot share with your friends and families, then it's really important that you can share with someone who is not going to judge you. So this is what it is. So thank you so much. Thank you.